Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, in the last lecture we are studied about the sign test, which is the non-parametric test, and we understand there are two cases in the sign test. One is one sample and for two sample. Students, you know, in sign test, and today we are discussed about Wilcoxon sign rank test, both based on similar things. Like we have, first of all, we have two populations, say population 1 and say population 2. We have two populations and we make from these two population or one sample or two sample. Students, in a problem there are always in the base two populations for Wilcoxon sign rank test and the sign test which we learnt in the previous lecture. So there are two possibilities in a problem. Either a problem is about one sample that takes from P1 and P2, or from two sample and it's two samples taken from P1 and P2. Understand? And also, students, I makes a chart to understand these tests. First of all, non-parametric test, and in non-parametric test there are also two possibilities. One possibility is one sample or matched pair, one sample or matched pair. Students, in a problem when we discuss non-parametric test, either this problem depends on one sample or matched pair. Matched pair mean two sample, and other than two samples, in other form, two samples are two independent samples. Okay, and in one sample or matched pair there are two possibilities to solve this. One is sign test that we learnt in the previous lecture, sign test, and also or we have Wilcoxon sign rank test. Wilcoxon sign rank test. Understand? Students, when we have given one sample or matched pair, then we have two options. Either we apply the sign test or Wilcoxon sign rank test. This test we learned in the previous lecture, and now today we learnt about Wilcoxon sign rank test. And when in a problem two independent samples are given, then the Wilcoxon rank sum test, the Wilcoxon rank sum test we use when two independent samples are given. Also, or Mann-Whitney test. Mann-Whitney test are used. Students, hopefully you understand this match pair. Non-parametric test when given, then two possibility: one sample are matched pair or two independent samples. One sample or matched pair have two tests. Either you use sign test or Wilcoxon signed rank test. And when two independent samples are given in a problem, then you have an option, the Wilcoxon rank sum test and Mann-Whitney test. Now today we are discussed about the Wilcoxon signed rank test. So first of all, in Wilcoxon signed rank test, it is a more powerful test as compared to signed test. The Wilcoxon signed rank test. Wilcoxon signed rank test is more powerful than the sign test because it makes use of the magnitude of the difference between paired magnitude of the difference between paired comparisons or fixed value or difference of fixed value from one sample. Understand? Wilcoxon signed rank test is more powerful than sign test because it makes use of magnitude of the difference between these two pair and or find the difference between one sample and those value which are fixed in a problem. Find the difference. This is the reason Wilcoxon signed rank test is more powerful than sign test. And students, in Wilcoxon signed rank test, how we choose our null hypothesis? In the null hypothesis to be tested is that the two populations from the respective members of matched pairs are identical. This is for null hypothesis. The matched pair are identical and against this, when we use alternative hypothesis, that is H1 not identical. Okay, and these are the for matched pair. And when we have a sample, when we have one sample in a problem given, then our null hypothesis is fixed. Like say I say in a problem median are given and m is equal to 30, and its alternative hypothesis about one sample is less than 30 or greater than 30. Okay, in this way we adopt our null and alternative hypothesis. And similarly we find the previous sign test, we find out in the second step the significance level, and in the third step find out the test statistics. Students, the test statistics, if the test statistics that is capital T for Wilcoxon sign rank test, when n is greater than or equal to 25, then it has been shown that the signed rank, the signed rank statistics capital T is approximately normally distributed with mean mu t which is equal to n into n plus 1 over 4, and a standard deviation which is sigma of t which is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 over 24, where n is the number of matched pair, where n is the number of matched pair, excluding zero difference if comes, excluding zero difference if comes. Okay, and hence generally use the test statistics. The test statistics is capital Z which is equal to capital T minus mu t over sigma t, and putting the value of these, value of mu t and sigma t given in above. So putting the values t as it is, minus mu t which is equal to n into n plus 1 over 4, and sigma t which is equal to n into n plus 1 and 2n plus 1 over 24. Okay, students, this test statistics use only for Wilcoxon signed rank test when n is greater than or equal to 30. Otherwise, when less than 25, then we use in simple way only find the difference between before value and after value, and this for the paired. And when one sample are given in a problem, then one is fixed and find the difference of all sample from the fixed value, and these two are only used when n is less than 25. So first of all, we solve a problem. After that, I write a procedure for Wilcoxon signed rank test. So let's see. Problem is example number 24.3. 10 young recruits were put through a strenuous physical training program by the army. Their weights were recorded before and after the training with the following results. There are 10 students, 10 young recruits, 1 to up to 10, and weight before is 125, 195 up to so on, and weight after 136, 201, 158 to so on. Students, use the Wilcoxon signed rank test, Wilcoxon signed rank statistics, to rest the hypothesis that the program affects average weight of recruits. Students, this is very important. Use the Wilcoxon signed rank test to rest the hypothesis that the program affects average weight of recruits. So students, this program of the recruitment effects you write in the null hypothesis. Mean, first of all, we write the null and alternative hypothesis. When these like situations are given in a problem, then students, we use two-sided test. Let's see. The program does not affect the average weight of the recruits, say mu1 minus mu2, which is equal to 0. Let this not affect, then we let mu1 minus mu2 is equal to 0. Mean, and the program affect the average weight of the recruits, that is not equal to 0. And this shows for two-sided test. And significance level also given in a problem, 0.05. The test statistics is T. Students, in this problem, 10 young recruits mean n is equal to 10, and this 10 is less than 25, so we use normal way. The test statistics, the smaller sum of the rank with the signed ignored. Mean, we ignore all these computations which greater than 25. Students, we write a table for computations in the fourth step. 10 recruits, okay, right, before weight, before recruits, it's the young person's weight 125, 195, and after recruitment weight 136, 201, and 158. Find the difference between these two, y minus x. This is the paired students, and we find the difference, get above and below, mean after and before, y minus x, which is 11 plus 6 minus 2 minus 13 plus 5 up to so on. At the end 6 are given. In the next step, next column, students, this is very important column, write the previous column, that is capital Y minus X, is in ascending order. Write this column in ascending order, but ignoring the negative sign. Students, ignoring the negative sign in this column and write in ascending order. Ascending order mean from lower value to upper value. Descending order mean upper value to lower value. So we write lower to upper. In this column, minimum value is ignoring the sign of negative, only 2 minimum value. So we write 2. Okay, and after 2 is minimum value is 5 plus 5 plus 5 and this minus 5. Write this 5 in 3 times, but 1 time is negative. Students, I write this negative sign but not bother this sign. Okay, and after 5 there are 3 6, 6 minus 6 and 6. Write these 3 6. It is not compulsory. First we write minus 6 or plus 6, only as you wish. 6 minus 6 6, and after 6 there are 11 is the greater value, and then 13, and after that is 14 we write. Okay, students, we ignore negative sign and then write these values in ascending order, but write negative sign. Okay, in the next step, rank of Y minus X mean how we assign the rank. Rank simply mean how we assign in this test. Students, let's see, there are 10 recruits, mean the rank is from 1 to 10, because in this column, difference column, there is no value of 0, no difference 0. If one or more values comes like 0, then our recruits less according to these zeros, but not 0 come, so we write our rank from 1 to 10 like these recruits. So the minimum value is minus 2 and greatest value is 14. So first of all we write this rank start from always 1, so say 1 for this and greater for 10. Okay, and after that, students, next value is 5 minus 5 and 5. About rank, how we rank assign, only write the numbering, say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, the lower is 1 and greater is 10. But when values similar, when values in the difference column are same, then we use the between value of similar values. Like, students, the value is 1 2, rank is 2, for this is 3 and 4. Normally we write in this way, but when similar values are comes, then we find only the between values of similar values. This is the value of 3, this is the value of 3, so I write for these 3 values, rank is 3 3 and 3. Okay, this is only for your understanding. And in the next is 6 comes in 3 times, so 1 2 3 4 ranks. Okay, and next rank is we write 5 6 and 7, so we choose the between values is 6, so rank is 6 6 and 6. Ignore this. Okay, and after that values are single values, so 7 after 8 9 and 10. After that, next column is the sign rank, positive and negative. Students, positive mean those values that comes in this column are positive, write in the positive column, and those values in this column is negative, then write in this column negative. Okay, students, but its magnitude write from this column. This is the negative value and its rank is 1, so we write in the negative column, that is rank. Also write, students, only magnitude, not these values. In the next is 5, this is the positive value, and write in the 3 is the rank, and write in the positive column corresponding. Similarly, -5, this is negative value, so write in the negative column and magnitude write, not this. Okay, similarly these 3 and also 6 comes, and similarly negative write in this, so we write this rank is negative column, and this rank value is positive, and its magnitude is 6, write in the positive, and similarly all these positive and write these ranks in the positive column. So students, add these positive and these negative. So after adding these column, results is equal to 10, and after adding this, results is equal to 45. But which value we say the value of t, the test statistics, those students value, like we write in this, the smaller sum of the rank with the signed ignored. Okay, we signed ignore in these two columns, and we'll check which is the smaller value. Smaller values are in this column 1, 2 and 3, so we adopt as t is equal to 10 as smaller values. Okay, in the fifth step, from the table of the Wilcoxon signed rank test, t alpha comma n, students, alpha, which is the 0.05 significance level, and n is equal to 10 observations are given. We check this value from the table. Let's see students table. .05 for 10, and we find in the start of the problem, this problem is two-tail test. So students, for two-tail test, this is the one-tail test and this is for two-tail test, and the two-tail test, this is the above, right, and I assign as tick. The alpha value is equal to 0.05, and corresponding of this alpha value 0.05, the 10 value, which is the n pair, so our required value is 8. Corresponding value of 0.05, which is two tail, and for 10 corresponding value is 8 from the test. So this is the table value, which is 8. So our observed value, which is t is equal to 10, are given in this. Okay, and in the last step, students, in the last step, which is the conclusion test, which is the conclusion, since students, you know, if the computed value is greater than the table value, then we accept our null hypothesis and say that our computed value not lie in the critical region. Since the computed or observed value is greater than table values, so we cannot reject our null hypothesis. Hence, the data do not provide the sufficient evidence to indicate that the performance, the program affect the average weight. Okay, now we see the next example. Example 24.4. Given that the 9 observations below are random sample from a continuous symmetric population, use the Wilcoxon signed rank test at the 5% level. The test the null hypothesis that the median equal to 30 against the alternative that it is less, and given these values. Okay, students, first of all, in a problem Wilcoxon signed rank test discuss, we use Wilcoxon signed rank test, and values, only one values are given. Okay, and say the level of significance, use 5%. 5% mean 5 divided by 100, answer will equal to 0.05. Significance level, use 0.05. The test status is the null hypothesis that we have to use the median equal to 30. Students, this is what for one sample, median is equal to 30, and against the alternative hypothesis that is less, mean we use alternative hypothesis less than 30. These things are given in a problem. If not specific mention in a problem these things, then we use two-tailed test. Okay, like in the previous problem, we state our null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis, H naught population median, which is m is equal to 30 and m less than 30, which are given in the problem alternative hypothesis. The significance level alpha is equal to 5% and 5% mean 0.05. Okay, and the third step, the test statistics T, the smaller sum of the rank with the sign ignored. Okay, we use the smaller sum at the end of the column. At the end of the column, we use those value in which value are less but sign ignored. Okay, in the fourth step, using the computations, students, in this problem only 9 observations are given, n is equal to 9, so we use these things. If observation is greater than 25, then we use the test statistics which are which we studied in the first of this lecture, that is mu t, sigma t, and z is equal to like this. Okay, observations are 27. Students, these are observations 27, 39, 30, 22, 32, 24, 25, 29 and 26. Write these in this way. Observations, that is say x 27, 39, 30, 22, 32, 24 up to so on 26. So find the difference, m naught, which is median fix, which is 30. So 27 minus 30 is equal to minus 3. 39 minus 30 is equal to plus 9. 30 minus 30, which is equal to 0, and up to so on find this difference. Okay, students, in the next column, like the previous problem, write previous column this in ascending order, ignoring the negative sign. So negative sign ignore and write in the ascending order. First of all, 0 comes and we not use as 0 like this sign test, so we dotted line say, and after that value is 1. After that 2, 3. Students, not confused from these minus 3 and minus 1. Students, for this column ignoring the negative sign, but we write this negative sign. Write this negative sign but ignoring the negative sign, and in ascending order. Okay, minus 1, minus plus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 10 and minus plus 9 from these, taken from this column, previous column. After, in the next column, rank, find the rank of its magnitude, mean take its magnitude and rank. Students, you know, rank only we allotted every value is say 1, 2, 3, mean we allotted against every value is counting start from 1 to last value, which is 9 and say 8. So first value is 0 ignored, corresponding this value is rank is 1, against is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, in the signed rank values is, there are two columns, positive and negative. First value is ignored. Students, we write in these columns rank this, but check the sign from previous column. Negative sign shows you write this rank in negative column. Okay, in here is positive sign and we write this rank in this. Negative sign, we write this rank is in the next, and similarly up to so on in these two. Students, we check at the end the positive values are less, only 2 and 9, so adding these adding these, not write negative. Okay. So, okay students, in the positive value 2 and 8 comes, we write only these ranks, and negative values are greater. Negative values total sum is 26 and positive values is 10. So, according to test statistics, the smaller sum of the rank we use, but ignore sign. So, smaller value is 10. T is equal to 10. In the fifth, from the table value of the Wilcoxon signed rank is alpha comma n, which is equal to 0. Alpha is 0.05 and n is 8. Students, in this problem n is equal to 9 in the start of the problem, but one difference is equal to 0, and we ignore the 0 value, so our observations remaining is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we check the value from the table Wilcoxon signed rank test T alpha comma n, which is equal to 5. This value check for one sided test, because in the start of the problem, students, fixed value and less than are given. Fixed value and less than are given. Maybe this are greater than. Then we say this is the one-sided test. And but when difference is equal to 0 and not equal to 0 in the alternative, then we say this is the two-sided test. So students, and observed computed value is equal to 10. So computed value is greater than from the table value. So we say that we accept our null hypothesis, cannot reject our null hypothesis. Understand? We accept our null hypothesis and say that the critical region but lie in the acceptance region. Hopefully students, you understand these two problems. First problem is related from two observations are given, and in the second problem only one observation are given. Hopefully you understand, and in the next lecture inshallah we write the procedure of this, and you know this is easy way. First we solve the problem and then we write the procedure, and you can also write the procedure do yourself students, because you understand the problem and follow this problem and write. You can write the procedure, but if you cannot write, then we understand in the next lecture of the procedure of Wilcoxon signed rank test. If you have any problems, students, write in the comment box. Okay, Allah Hafiz.